Hi, we are Team Achievers. Firstly, I'm going to talk about our business. Our business is Loving Thoughts. Loving Thoughts started work with help of expert in 10th of July 2020, and we offer customized creativity and unknown greeting cards. Loving Thoughts is the best way to send personalized and heartwarming greeting cards in your wallets. As the name suggests, customers the ability to convey their highest wishes for birthdays, anniversaries, and wedding. Loving Thoughts has facility to print your photos on the cards and deliver your locations in worldwide. And also I want to say free delivery for location in Sri Lanka. Customer service and high quality output are given most priority at Loving Thoughts. Contact us to get more information via Instagram, Facebook, and our website. We design 3 types of cards. They are anniversary cards, birthday cards, wedding cards.
Let's move to customer value proposition. First of all, we need to know what customer value proposition is. Customer value proposition means a promise of potential value that the business delivers to its customers, and in essence is the reason why a customer would choose to engage with the business. Now we can see what are the customer value proposition of our business. First one is customization, second one is island-wide delivery, third one is information richness. We have already our website, Facebook page and Instagram page. Customers can get more information and order throughout those things. And we have made easy payment methods to customers, PayPal, such as PayPal, EasyCash, Amazon Pay, Visa Checkout, etc. We are available at 24 hours. Our potential market is very high. We use high quality materials to design and get best outputs. Let's move to revenue models using our business. First one is sales revenue model, second one is affiliate revenue model, third one is advertising revenue model. So we can see market opportunities. We segment our product under behavioral variable as a part of occasions like weddings, anniversaries and birthdays. And also anyone can order who wants greeting someone. That's our target market. We ready to always to give valuable service who want greeting someone. Let's move on to our competitive environment.
In the competitive environment, we have to have a clear idea about our competitors. Our main competitors are
handmade card designers, best greeting card softwares like Canva, Hallmark Card Studio, Print Artist Gold. And we have online greeting card designing and selling businesses like eBay and Kapruka.
Today, online businesses are expanding rapidly around the world, so we have to give tough competition to reach our customers. Then we move our presence strategy.
Websites have been selected as e-commerce strategy for our business, and we use easy platforms like traditional platforms, mobiles and tablets to access our website. There are key benefits and e-commerce websites like lower setup cost. The business can be operated from anywhere, scalability, less time intensive, higher margins and better cash flows.
Then we move our competitive advantage.
Our competitive advantages are customization service, use the best materials, worldwide delivery, resource abundance, available at 24 hours, product differentiation, unique brand name and images, and we have quick access to information through our web page, Instagram and website. From all these competitive advantages, we can win our competition and attract customers to our business. So then we move to the market strategy.
Okay, when we talking about market strategy, we mainly focus on social media because modern world everyone use social media. So we hope to promote website through social media like Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. Also attract customers through the advertisement offering discounts and motivate customers to advocate on behalf of our website. Through this, we aim to create a wider consumer market both locally and internationally. So, when we come to payment system, once our payment is selected online, customer will be able to pay easily through our offerings of easy payment methods. From credit and debit cards, EasyCash, Freeme and Amazon Pay, customers can do their payments. So, customers can easily do their transactions efficiently, and by increasing their satisfaction, they are motivated to get our services further and stay with our business. When we starting an e-commerce business, we identified that the amount of initial capital needed is very important as a key factor. Basically, in our business, we identified some main startup cost for build our basic platform to our e-com business. As in the screen, you can see for website creating, including design, hosting, domain, and for SSL certificate, nearly cost about $500. Then for inventory like materials that use in product manufacturing being nearly $300. Then we have to spend for warehousing, for equipment, stationery, and internet and phone call bills. But transactional cost and shipping and delivery cost are depends on sales or customer orders. Initially, we need nearly around $1,500 as capital to start our e-business. As a source of capital, we used fundraising from our personal savings and from our family and friends. Finally, I think now you have idea about our e-business and about our offers. So this is the end. Have a nice day. Thank you.